Hey, what up guys? I'm gonna show you guys how to connect the ZS190 engine harness over to a Vader 125. Very simple. Keep things short. We got two cables. One comes from the stator and the other one, if you follow it, it's gonna be your transmission neutral indicator. So just start with something really easy. Locate the green wire with the red stripe. That's gonna plug into the red wire of your transmission cable. It's the 5-pin. You can see the red wire is going to be the top right connector over here. You just rig this up, and now your bike will show neutral when your transmission is in neutral. Over here, so the ZS190 does not have the actual first gear, second, third, or fourth indicator. It only shows neutral, and that's why you only see one coming from here. The stock 125 engine for the Vader actually has a whole connector, but this transmission is slightly different than the stock 125. The next cable that comes out of the stator, you can see 4-pin with the green. What you would need to do is remove the black. You can either take the whole thing out or you can cut it. What I'm going to do is just cut it. Let me focus for you guys so you can get a better shot. There you go. Cut this wire about maybe 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch away from this connector. And then I'm going to fold back the rest of this black wire that comes from here. Fold that back, and then wrap it up with some electrical tape. And then connect this green wire also at the same time. Cut it to length, strip a little bit, and then I'm going to solder on this green to this black. So when you connect it, like so, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand because one hand's holding the camera. Plug it in, like so. You can see the blue will go with blue, the two yellows will go to the top, white and yellow, it doesn't really matter. And then this green will go into this green down here. So, or this green over here on the right side. And that's all there is to it. Very simple. And I didn't see any videos on YouTube, so I just thought I'd make a video showing you guys how easy it is to do this engine swap, onto a Vader 125. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment in the comment box below, or you can message me, or you can also join the ZS190 swap group over there on Facebook. The guy Mike Davis was very helpful. He actually did a video chat with me on how to get this thing properly hooked up without having my bike go kaboom. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.